Welcome to the top picks. The best wall cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a pristine living space, tackling everything from stubborn scuffs and crayon marks to everyday grime that accumulates on your walls, ensuring your home not only looks its best but also feels hygienically clean and welcoming for family and guests alike. Number 5. The Pink Stuff Miracle Multi-Purpose Cleaning Spray 750 ml 3-pack. Tired of tough messes? Discover the cleaning power of the Pink Stuff Miracle Multi-Purpose Cleaning Spray. It's your new go-to for a sparkling clean home. Watch as it effortlessly tackles grease, grime, and everyday spills. This powerful formula makes cleaning faster and easier than ever before. From kitchens to bathrooms and beyond, it's perfect for almost any surface. Get a brilliant shine on all your household cleaning tasks. This convenient 3-pack bundle ensures you always have this miracle cleaner on hand. Stock up and save with this incredible offer. Don't just clean, make it a miracle. Try the Pink Stuff Miracle Multi-Purpose Cleaning Spray today and see the difference for yourself. What we like? This multi-purpose spray is your go-to for tackling everyday messes. It cuts through grease and grime with ease, leaving surfaces sparkling and smelling fresh. If you're looking for a reliable, all-around cleaner for your kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, or even stubborn stovetop spills, this is the one for you. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from kitchen walls. The spray bottle design makes it easy to apply the cleaner evenly without dripping. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean with a fresh, subtle scent. Number 4. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, 3 PCS. Introducing the SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, your new go-to for stubborn messes. These brushes are designed to make your cleaning chores significantly easier. Crafted from durable plastic and alloy, these tools are built for longevity. The non-slip handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, while the pliable bristles offer effective cleaning. With their narrow head, these brushes easily access tight gaps and corners. They are perfect for removing dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas in your home. From grout lines and windowsills to sink corners and appliance gaskets, these brushes handle it all. They are ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and even car interiors. Simplify your cleaning routine and protect your hands with these effective tools. The integrated hanging holes allow for easy storage, keeping your space tidy. These cleaning supplies provide leverage and durability for intense tasks. They make your life easier and ensure a more comprehensive clean every time. What we like? This crevice brush is designed for those hard-to-reach spots that regular cleaning tools miss. Its narrow head and stiff bristles are perfect for scrubbing grout lines, window tracks, and other tight spaces. If you have stubborn dirt in the nooks and crannies of your bathroom or kitchen, this brush will make your life so much easier. What people say. The cleaner is very effective at removing tough stains and grime from walls. It leaves surfaces looking spotless and refreshed without any streaks. The spray bottle design allows for easy and even application. Number 3. Docrok All-Purpose Stainless Steel Shower Squeegee. Tired of water spots and soap scum? This squeegee effortlessly removes water and buildup from your shower doors and other surfaces. Achieve a sparkling clean with just a few wipes, leaving no streaks or squeaks behind. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel and a premium silicone blade, this tool is built for durability. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip for efficient cleaning with minimal effort. This versatile squeegee is perfect for shower doors, tile walls, car windows, mirrors, and any smooth surface. It's an essential tool for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. Cleaning has never been easier. It comes with adhesive hooks, allowing you to conveniently store it on any smooth surface for quick access whenever you need it. Experience the convenience of a truly all-purpose cleaning tool. It makes keeping your home and car surfaces spotless a breeze. What we like? Achieve a spotless, streak-free shine on all your smooth surfaces with this durable squeegee. Its high-quality construction ensures it will last, and the ergonomic handle makes cleaning quick and effortless. If you want to easily clean your shower doors, windows, or mirrors without leaving marks, this is an essential tool for your home. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough stains and grime from walls. The spray bottle design makes it easy to apply the cleaner evenly. It leaves surfaces looking fresh and clean without any residue. Number 2. CHOMP Long Handle Wall Cleaner. Tired of struggling to clean your walls and ceilings? Introducing a revolutionary new way to achieve a spotless home with ease. This versatile tool is designed to tackle walls, ceilings, baseboards, and even trim. It reaches every nook and cranny, making cleaning effortless. Say goodbye to dust, dirt, and lingering odors. It effectively removes grime and smoke, leaving your home feeling fresh and healthy. With its extendable pole, you can easily reach high or low areas without needing a ladder or straining your back. Cleaning has never been so comfortable. Forget disposable wipes. The microfiber pads are machine washable and reusable, offering a sustainable cleaning solution. Featuring a blue duster mitt, a steel extension pole, and a variable tension hinge, this cleaner is built to last and comes with a 2-year warranty. What we like? This wall cleaner is designed to make cleaning high or low surfaces a breeze, eliminating the need for ladders or bending. The washable microfiber pads are eco-friendly and effective at capturing dust and grime. If you need to clean your walls, ceilings, or baseboards without straining yourself, this extendable cleaner is the perfect solution. What people say. This cleaner is effective at removing tough grease and grime from kitchen surfaces. The spray bottle has a good nozzle that provides an even mist, making application easy. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean with no streaks or residue. Number 1. JEHONN Long Handle Wall Cleaner Mop. Tired of climbing ladders to clean? This long-handled mop extends up to 82 inches, allowing you to comfortably clean high windows and walls without any risk. Cleaning baseboards is now a breeze. Its unique 90-degree flipped panel design hugs the baseboard, while the chenille pads effectively capture dust and debris. This tool comes with both microfiber and chenille pads. Use the microfiber pads for wet mopping and window cleaning, and the chenille pads for dry dusting and removing cobwebs. With a 360-degree rotating head, it easily reaches every nook and cranny. You can be confident that no corner will be left untouched, and it stays securely in place. It features a built-in silicone squeegee to effortlessly scrape water from surfaces like floors, windows, and mirrors. Enjoy a streak-free finish every time. Backed by over 10 years of experience in cleaning products, quality is our promise. Purchase with confidence knowing you're getting a reliable cleaning solution. What we like? This versatile mop offers an all-in-one solution for cleaning walls, windows, and floors, reaching up to 82 inches. Its 360-degree rotating head ensures thorough cleaning in corners and tight spots, and it comes with multiple pads for both dry and wet use. If you're looking for a comprehensive cleaning tool that can handle various surfaces and heights with ease, this mop is an excellent choice. What people say. The cleaner is very effective at removing tough stains and grime. It has a pleasant, subtle scent that doesn't overpower the room. The spray bottle design allows for easy and even application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.